Having considered why we need AgileSHIFT, we must now focus on the what and the how, as illustrated in the figure. The AgileSHIFT framework comprises the following elements: an enablement of agile ways of working, which emphasizes how all parts of the enterprise must be in strategic alignment to ensure successful transformation. AgileSHIFT principles, representing a set of fundamental rules that guide an organization in all circumstances. AgileSHIFT practices are composed by a set of practical approaches that will bring real benefits to any team wishing to work in more agile ways. Lastly, the AgileSHIFT delivery approach encompasses the key roles, the workflow, necessary iteration, tools, and techniques. The main key roles are the AgileSHIFT team, the AgileSHIFT coach, and the AgileSHIFT sponsor. The AgileSHIFT workflow is made of a cycle of iterative steps, where the team works in short bursts, followed by feedback and decision-making. An AgileSHIFT iteration is a detailed look at the activities within an iteration. Lastly, tools and techniques, as the name suggests, describes the tools and techniques that can help in any AgileSHIFT initiative.